Thus represents imbalance, Mahavishnu assumed a form of a dwarf, Vamana avatar, and tricked him to Patalam, the underworld. However, as Mahabali is equal to an Indra, he has to wait to the next yuga where he would be the Indra. In the meantime, with the grace of Mahavishnu, Mahabali visits his yuga where he would be the Indra. In the meantime, with the grace of Mahavishnu, Mahabali visits his people on an annual basis. Mahavishnu serves Mahabali as a gatekeeper in the world of Patalam as the Lord himself serves his great devotees. The rich culture heritage of Kerala comes out in its best form and spirit during the 10-day long festival. The most impressive part of Onam celebration is the grand feast called Ona Sadhya, prepared on Tiru. It is a 9-course meal consisting of 11 to 13 essential dishes. Ona Sadhya is served on a banana leaf and people sit on a mat laid on the floor to have the meal.
Another enchanting feature of Onam is Valamkali, the snake boat race, held on the river Pampa. It is a colorful sight to watch the decorated boat owned by hundreds of boatmen, amidst chanting songs and cheering by spectators and viewers. There is also a tradition to play games collectivity called Onakalika on Onam. Men go in for endurance sports like Talapantukali, played with the ball, Ambale archery, Kuttu Kuttu, and combats called Kaikali and Attakali. Women indulge in cultural activities. They make intricately designed flower mats called Pookalam in the front courtyard of the house to welcome King Mahabali. Kaikoti Kali and Tumbi Tulan are two graceful dances performed by women on Onam. Folk performances like Kumati Kali and Pukkali add to the zest of celebrations. Mahabali's rule is considered the golden era of Kerala. The following song is often sung over Onam.
Kallam parayum cherunaliyum kallatarangal mattonumilla aadigal vyadigal onnumilla balamaranangal onnumilla.
I am going to give the translation of the song. When Mahabali, our king, ruled the land, all the people were equal, and people were joyful and merry. They were all freed from harm. There were neither anxiety nor sickness. Deaths of children were unheard of. There was no lies. There was neither theft or deceit. And no one was false in speech either. Measures and weight were right. No one cheated or wronged his neighbors. When Mahabali, our king, ruled the land, all the people formed one casteless race.
Very nice.
Put the paper down. Keep the paper down. Yeah.
Children, wait, it's not finished.
No, but let them keep encouraging.
For the revelation of this day, Mahabali, Lord Vishnu, Bhavla granted him rule over the underworld. It was also granted that he would hold position of Indra for one Patra, thus fulfilling his devotee's desire. The office of Indra be a rotated position, changing every Manavra. As the last gift, Mahabali was allowed to visit his people once a year. People from Kerala celebrate Onam in memory of the great King Mahabali, who would keep his promise to visit them. Mahabali fulfilled his name as the Rapunzel in a grand way and impress upon the dear king that they are happy and wish him well. Thank you.
महाबली किधर है?
Next,
नहीं, उसको नहीं
we have a
बताएगा।
small sketch, The Legend of Mahabali.
वो कहीं को टिक करेंगे। महाबली कदर।
बाहुबली 1 to 4 में नहीं आया।
Gossip.
Let them come from your room, come that side.